Hello friend, good morning. Welcome to my channel Emerging School of Economics and Commerce. I am going to teach you basic introduction to economics. So student, let's get started. What is economics? The word economics is derived from the Greek word oikonomos, which means to manage the house. So it means the management of a household, especially in those matters which are relating to the income and expenses of the family. After some time, political economy term was also used for this topic, and slowly political economy adopted the shape of economics. There are numerous definitions of economics often from time to time, but there is no clear and concise definition. Keeping in view this situation, J.M. Keynes has rightly stated that political economy is said to have strangled itself with definition. Say a French economist, Mr. J.B. says, economics is a science which treats of wealth. Economic definition: wealth viewpoint, welfare viewpoint, scarcity viewpoint, and growth viewpoint. Dear student, let's start wealth viewpoint. Wealth definition of economics. This is a classical definition of economics by Adam Smith, who is also considered as the father of modern economics. Economics is a study of the nature and causes of nations, wealth, or simply as a study of wealth. Adam Smith. Key feature of wealth economics definition. The main objective of economics is to gain maximum wealth as possible. The core of economic activity are production, distribution, and consumption. It deals with the cause of creation of wealth in an economy. The term wealth used in this definition refers to material wealth. The next definition is welfare definition of economics. It is a new classical definition of economics by Alfred Marshall. It is a study of mankind in the ordinary business of life. It inquires how he gets his income and how he uses it. In one view, it is a study of a wealth, and on the other hand, it is a part of study of man. Alfred Marshall, key feature of welfare economic definition, it defines economy as a study of activity related to the human being and their material welfare. Marshall clarified that economics is related to incomes of individual and it uses for creating material welfare. Collectively, income of a group of individual form the wealth of a nation, and ultimately goal is to increase welfare of individual. Is scarcity definition of economics. It is a pre-Keynesian definition of economics by Robbins in his book Essay on the Nature and Significance of the Economy, Science, 1932. Economics is a science which studies human behavior as a relationship between ends and scarce means which have alternative uses. We have some key features of scarcity economic definition. It recognizes that economics is a science deal with the economic behavior of a human being. It also focuses on optimum utilization of scarce resources. It provides three basic features of human existence, which are unlimited wants, limited resources, and alternative uses of limited resources. There is a need for efficient use of scarce resources, and the primary objective of economics is to ensure efficiency in the use of resources with the purpose to satisfy human wants. Following are the main components of Robbins definition. Unlimited wants. Human wants are unlimited. It is not possible to find a person who may say that his wants have been completely satisfied. Number 2. Limited means. Our means and sources are limited to satisfy unlimited wants. If all the things were freely available, then there would be no economic problem. Number 3. Important and less important wants. Some wants are more important while others are less important. If we will choose one desire to fulfill, then we will have to sacrifice the other one. Number 4. Means have alternative uses. The scarce resources have alternative uses. A piece of land can be used for the factory and for the school, but man has to choose the best way. The third and the last is growth definition of economics. This is a modern perspective definition of economics by Samuelson. He provided the growth-oriented definition of economics. Economics is a study of how man and society choose with or without the use of money to apply the scarce productive resources, which have alternative uses, to produce various commodities over time and distributing them for consumption, how or in the future among various persons or groups in society. Key feature of growth economic definition is it deals with the allocation of scarce resources to be used in productive purpose. The selection of the most efficient use of the resources form alternative ways. The growth of economic will depend upon the consumption and production in the economy. This definition also provides toward economic is a study of an economic system. Economics have different definition of economics by different economies and social thinkers with different objectives and contexts. Although these definitions are correct and none can be taken as universally acceptable. Hopefully, you understand my lecture in this video. Keep watching my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Till then, bye bye.